So in this video, I'll be talking about the text decoration property. You can use this property to draw lines through the text. For example, you can draw a line over the text. You can draw a line through the text. You can draw a line under the text. And you can also, in fact, set text decoration to more than one value. For example, you can have an overline as well as an under. Let me show you what they look like in the browser. So here is how our code would look in our browser, but in practice, I find we rarely truly use text decoration for this purpose. Now, what we actually usually do use it for is the following. So in practice, we tend to actually use text decoration to help turn off the default underlining that comes with link tags. Let me just show you what I mean. So what I'm doing is setting a link tag. This is what our link tag looks like in the browser. So that's our link. But you notice how the link tag has an underline that comes with it by default. Very frequently, we don't actually want this underline. So how do we turn it off? Is we set the text decoration to none for this link. I'll do just that in our code. So I've set all link tags have a text decoration value of none. And now this is what it looks like in our browser. See, the underline is now gone. So anyways, this about wraps up our video. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I'll see you next time.